So when you guys apply for a credit card with American Express, you guys should have that one hard pull when you guys get the multiple cards. That's what I've heard a lot of people been doing when they want to get the multiple cards with American Express. I also made a video about the Lion Credit Union because when you guys apply for a credit card with them, that hard inquiry can last up to 90 days. Double check with them, but that hard inquiry should last up to 90 days so you guys can get their other credit cards. They have two of them that you guys can get. So if you're looking to stack credit cards, definitely look into stacking credit cards with them because they have two credit cards that you guys can definitely get. And I love their lower interest rate, and they just have a lot to offer in terms of some rewards. So double check with them and check them out for sure. Now, let me show you this Alliant credit card because I did make a video about this Alliant credit card already. And hopefully you guys going to be able to get approved for one of their credit cards. So it's a credit union. Think of them as like Navy Federal. That's kind of how I view them, as like Navy Federal. Like I said, to double check to see how long that hard inquiry is going to last so that you can get a card, additional card with them. So say after you get that first one, you can get an additional card with them, but double check to see how long that hard inquiry is going to last. So they have two of them. You can get the platinum, and I like that platinum because you guys are going to get that 0% interest APR, 0% APR for 12 months. And then also you guys are going to have a lower interest rate after that, and they don't have an annual fee for either of their credit cards. So I like that. Now, this one is more of like cash back. You guys are going to earn up to 2.5% cash back on your first $10,000 of qualifying purchases. And then it's going to be 1.5% cash back on anything over that $10,000. And there's no categories that you guys are going to need to track. So if you guys want to get, two cards with that one inquiry, definitely check out the Alliant credit union because that's going to be a great account that you guys can definitely look into